Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela WebDev. So here we are showing all the books list, right? So now it's time for us to do the read list. So for example, let's say that I have clicked on this book and I have read this book. So now when you have studied this book, so it needs to move into the studied book list. So let's try to do that one. So now for that one, let's create the components and all those things. So what are the books you have read? It should be in the read list. So let's just like the books list how it is having the library, in the same scenario the books what you have read, it needs to move into the read list. So let's try to implement that one. So for this one, let's go to the main.js. So here this is our code, right? So here what I will try to do is, so here I will maintain another one is studied list. So whatever the books you have studied list. So this is the component which I want to create it. Okay, let's create a component for this one, studied list.js file, and export default function studied list, and in this studied list we will return the div hello Leela. So just I am writing it the code, and here in this one studied list I am creating the component. So fine, and now study list is not defined. Yeah, hello Leela, we are able to get it, and we need to send the study list also, right? So for example, for this one, let's say in our app.js file, so here we are having all the books, so we need to have a read book list also. So here let's copy this entire thing, and I am creating another one that is nothing but books read. So the books he has read, and here also for this one I am creating another one. So books read data, and here books read. So this is the thing, and we need to pass it through this one, books read is equal to books read data. Now I am passing the books which the user has read. Now let's go to the main.js file, and here I am using the same thing, books read. So fine, and for this one we need to send the books read to here. So everything is completed. Now we need to work it out on the UI. So here I want to make this books read list to the side by side. So for this one what I want to do is, so here this is a main.js, main is there. So let's go to the main, and here I will give display flex, display flex, or otherwise what I will try to do is I will create a new class for this one instead of creating all the times d-flex, and I will use the display flex, and here in the main.js I can directly apply d-flex class. Now if you try to see, this one will come side by side. I want to make it as in something like equal spaces between those two. So here in the main greater than div, so the immediate child I will give a flex of 1. Fine, right? Yeah, half by half it is there. And here also what I want to do is, and here also I will give a gap of 10 pixel between those two. Yeah, so that's it. So now I want to decrease this font size. We'll decrease this font size to 12 pixel. Here automatically the fonts will be decreased, and h5 also. Where is this h3? Books h3 we have increased it to font size, right? 12 pixel I will decrease it. Yeah, it's looking somewhat fine. Now I want to design this box. So for this one what I will do is, in our main.js, so we have our main.js. So now here we have the studied list. In this studied list we need to show the data. So here what I will try to do is, so this is our thing, right? So we have already the box, right? So the same box, we'll try to use the box thing. So here I am trying to use the box. I am using the class name, the same thing as a box. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, we are able to get the same box. Now for this box we will try to implement the code. So first one what I want to do is the summary. So read summary, the books read summary, I want to show it. How many books you have read, total books. So average rating how it is having, the user rating, so the rating that you have given by for that book, and all those things I want to show the summary. So here what I will do is, so here I can create another component, that is books read summary. So we'll just create the components, then afterwards we will do it. So books read summary, here I am creating a component books read summary.js file, and in this one export default function books read summary, and in this one I will create the summary. Fine. And I will return the code, return div hello Leela. So just I am trying to do it. So now if I go here and import this books read summary, now we should be able to get it. Yeah, what is happening? Yeah, books read summary. Now I need to design this one. So for designing this one, what I want to do is, here class name is equal to summary or books summary, and in this one I will create one h3 books you read. Okay, so you will be able to see that one. Okay, and here I will create one div, and in this div I will have another div. So I will create one span. So here I will be having one book. So here whatever the books you have read, so that is nothing but 2 books you have read. So you will be able to see that one output, and the same thing whatever the star, so how much is the book star, normally average star it is having. So here you will be able to see that one also star, and here I can write it as something as 4.3, 4.5 or anything, and here I will be having another star, so that is nothing but and here I will be having this star 4.5. Let's keep it like this. So this is the book summary. Now let's design this book summary. Now if you go to the studied list, okay, in this, not in the app.css, so in this book summary, okay, in this book summary, what I want to do, so here in the h5 only, right, I have given, I didn't remember exactly, h3. Okay, let's go to the h3, and this one you need to have a margin of 0 pixel. Yes, okay, fine, let's keep it like this. And book summary of h2 we are having it, right? So here this is the div we are having, and this should have a class name of pa-flex. We'll try to keep it. So these are coming one by one. And another one what I want to do is, so justify hyphen content hyphen between. I will have a class between this one. So let's try to create the class for this one also, and here justify content space between. Fine, so we are able to get this one. So now I want to apply a background for this. So book summary background color, background color, I want to apply a background color #EE. Now let's see how it will look like. Now here we are having some gaps, right? So this should not happen. So what I want to do is, let's go to the box, whatever the box it is there. Where is the box thing? Box, dot box you will be having. Yeah, I will remove this padding. Okay, so now you all are coming one by one like this only. So here for this one I will apply padding of 10 pixel. So this one is fine, and this one book summary, for this book summary I will try to apply padding of 10 pixel. Now it looks somewhat fine. Yeah, it's looking fine. Now at the bottom I need to show the books list. So for showing this books list, what we need to do is, so here I have completed this one. Now let's go to the main.js. Okay, fine. Let's apply the books. We'll show the books. So studied list we have completed books read summary, and here books read. So we'll have another one books read, and we will pass this books read into this one books read, and here also we will take the books read as books read. Okay, now this books read we will try to create a new one books read.js file, and here we can have this export default function books read, and here you will be having return. So here you need to show the books list. Okay, so the red books list you need to show it. So I will give it for you the task. Okay, so now you try to implement this one books read. So you have this one, everything, right? Books read. Oh, what happened for this one? This one is there. Books read. Oh, books read, right? Books read. Books read. Oh, sorry. Books. I think the spelling. Oh, sorry. This one is wrong. So we need to rename this one to books read. And here also it should be books read. And here in this one, let's remove this import thing. And this should be books read. Now where we are using this books read again? Books read.js. So anyway, we are not using it anywhere, right? Cannot find, does not match the books read.js. Where is that one? Okay, sorry. So this is the problem. Fine. Now here I am showing the books list, right? So now you here I will give you a task to complete this books list, and in the next video we will try to complete showing this books list also. So here this is all the books you read, and we need to show the books whatever the user has read here. So that is the thing you will be doing. And here also we are having the everything, right? So let's try to implement this one. So hope you understood about this concept, what I am trying to do it. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And also what I will do is I will commit this code in a new branch, that is video-53. Okay, the books read data. So let's commit this all the code, and I will publish this branch. So whoever may be having doubts or anything, I will provide the link below into the description, the GitHub repository link. So if you want to refer this code, you can refer the code. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.